Hello and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Shadow the Hedgehog. So let's get started. Let's go first with the eyes. Start with a small curve, going down and then up. The same for the other eye, with a shorter line. Then going down, narrow at the center. And then to the side and to the cheek. From the top, do a line going down to finish the eye and another one to complete the eyebrow. Draw the eyes with a circle and fill the center in black. Now at the center, draw the nose in an oval shape, fill the gap, and a line connecting the tips. A line to complete the mouth. Now let's go with the eyebrows. Do a line going up and down, and some extra lines for the other eye. Now let's go with the head and the spikes. Try to keep it sharp at the edges. A triangular shape for the ear. The same for the other ear. A third spike. Draw an extra line in each spike, so then you can add the colors. Now let's go with the arm. Start from one point, make a small S curve, very slight. Then the gloves. Do like a square shape. The top, then two lines for the wrist. Now let's go with the thumb, going down, then to the side, and going back again. Then a finger in a horizontal position, and the three fingers. The spikes in the back. Now let's go with the chest and the body. So from one point with a line crossing all the way down for the leg and then going up again. An extra line. Now let's go with the shoes. Draw a circular line, then a square shape. This will be the upper part of the shoe. Some circles around it. and then the shoe. Draw some rectangular shapes at the side, one line, almost at the center, and then the shoe shape. Now let's go with the chest, and then the other leg, going to the side and then to the bottom. Now let's go with the shoe, going to a side, to a point, going down, creating the shape of the shoe. Another shape around it. And 3 squares at the bottom. A division line at the center. Finish the tail. And now finally with the other arm. Small shape, 2 circles. Then an ondular shape around it to create one finger, the thumb and the palm. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!